Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris, and I wanted to do a simple recipe for the holidays. Food Pantry quiche. We're going to do a simplified version of this. You can be fancy for the holidays without spending a whole lot of money. All right, first thing I did, of course, I got some cheese for one of my food pantry runs, and I also got some eggs. I have sauteed 2 onions and some mushrooms in a pan. They've already cooled down. I want to scramble my eggs together, all right? I'm using 3 eggs per quiche, okay? And a half cup of milk. You can season them with your choice. I'm a choice of seasonings. I'm using pepper, about a teaspoon, and a salt-free seasoning. I'm using a Soul salt-free seasoning. You don't have to. Use the one of your choice, like I said, okay? And put in a half cup of milk. Now, as far as meat, you could use it vegetarian, or I'm using the leftover meat from the bird from Turkey Day. All right. Get this all incorporated. How's everybody doing out there? Lynn, are you watching? In a Pickle, Victoria, June, Carla, Salty Assassins. Marianne, I know you're out there. All right. First thing we do is put a layer of cheese. I'm gonna make 2 different flavors, sort of. Let's put in our mixture of mushrooms and onions. Okay. Over top of that, we're going to put our chicken, turkey, or whatever we choose. Okay. So you can have a fancy dish for a party, a dinner, without being too fancy, you know what I mean? Now, I also pre-cook the pie shells for just about 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Just so they're not doughy and gooey. We're gonna put in our egg mixture. Okay. Over top of that, we're gonna put some more a ton of cheese now, okay? A ton. Let this, it will melt on down and cook on in. Okay, now that's one. Now, I'm gonna do a different one with some pepper jack cheese to make it spicy. Just like me. But believe it or not, my sister eats more spice than I do. I'm gonna put the rest of this in here. Ooh. I know. Don't scrape my pot. I'm trying not to. Okay, I got all the mixture in.
No metal on non-stick.
I know. Oh, I'm gonna do 3 more eggs. Okay. So remember, it's 3 eggs per quiche. All right. Add your half cup of milk. I'm eyeballing it because I've been doing this a while, so I kind of know. All right. All right. Put that in there. And then take the rest of your cheese and pile it on top. It will all melt through and be mixed together. Just trust me on that one. Okay? All right. Put this in the oven for 45 minutes or until golden on top. Not burnt. 45 minutes, no longer. All right? All right. Be right back. Hey, nieces and nephews. Looky, looky, looky. The quiche turned out lovely. This is a great holiday dish. Impress your friends with a simple recipe that you don't have to spend all day on. Okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, guys.